Hey guys, I just got an awesome package in the mail. It's from FedEx, and let's see what's inside. Yes, I already cracked open the bag. I just felt like doing the unboxing thing here. Yep, FedEx delivered it. It's from Dell. It's 2 gigabytes of memory for this computer. So I'll get up to 2.5 gigs, which I guess will work. I hope so, because I really don't feel like spending the money to do more, because I won't be long before I replace the motherboard. So yeah, let's show you how to upgrade the memory. Alright, here we are. Let's go ahead and pop the back off of the computer. Go to the side panel. There's the inside that you're familiar with already. Yep, the memory is right in here. I'm going to have to, if you can see, there's 2 memory sticks right here. They're not right next to each other, so I got to pull this one out, this one right here, stick it in the slot way down here, just so it'll work better. Go in. Aha! There we go. Yeah, you can't have 2 of the same size memories, 2 next to each other like that. They have to be the same size memory as the one next to it. So you can't have a 1 gig next to a 256. That might fry something. Anyway, here's the memory. Let's take it out of its box. See, 2 1 gig sticks. If I can get it out. Oh, there's little tabs right here. It's helpful. Alright, let's stick this one down there. Get this right way. Alright, one's in. Let's get the second one. Da da da. Yeah, and that's it. I got the memory in there. Go ahead and reassemble the case. Alright, there we go, it's on. I'll be back in a sec. I can't see that very well, but it says right here 2.50 gigabytes of RAM. And yep, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!